What is photojournalism? Freedom High School Journalism Course 2016. This photo is of President Obama being photographed by the press as he signs a bill into law. Photo courtesy of Wikimedia. The goals for this presentation are to be able to define photojournalism and describe who a journalist is. Photo courtesy of PicServer.com. Vocabulary. Photojournalism is a visual reporting of facts and truths. Still photographs are one-frame images taken on film or digitally. A cut line is the words beneath the pictures generally written by editors from information supplied by photographers. Video journalism is the art of telling the story with video. A videographer is a journalist who shoots a story with video camera. Journalists are reporters with cameras. A found situation is an event or scene that they come across by accident that can make a good photograph. This picture is of a DSLR camera commonly used in today's photography, courtesy of Pixabay.com. What is photojournalism? Photojournalism is telling news and feature stories through photography and videotape and telling them with the same objectivity, accuracy, and fairness required of all journalists. It is using pictures to get across the essence or impact of those stories. This picture is of an old camera, courtesy of Wikipedia. Photos and photography. Still photos can freeze a moment in time, even an active one. A photo allows a reader or viewer to linger over the moment, absorbing the meaning of it and the story it tells. It grabs the reader's attention, often being put on the front pages of newspapers and magazines to increase reader interest. Photojournalism is different than other types of still photography because the images are timely, objective, and a fair and accurate representation of the event. They are never manipulated at the scene, in the darkroom, or on a computer. The images are used with cut lines, the words beneath images. Examples include pictures taken from September 11, 2001 and Hurricane Katrina. This picture, taken by a photojournalist during the Great Depression, is now a historical representative of that time period. Photo courtesy of Wikipedia. Photojournalists. Photojournalists are reporters with cameras. They know how to use the camera and all the technical aspects of photography. Photographers go out into the world, sometimes to dangerous places like war zones or natural disaster areas. This picture is of a photojournalist who knows how to use the necessary equipment. Photo courtesy of Flickr. Photojournalists continue. Photojournalists are good communicators. They have a passion for human interest stories and stay up to date on current issues as they need to be good at collecting information. Dedicated photojournalists are rarely without their cameras and are always on the lookout for found situations or an event or scene they come across by accident that can make a good photograph. This picture is of a photojournalist at a rally taking pictures, courtesy of Flickr Fibonacci Blue. Time to test your knowledge. This photo is courtesy of Pixabay Gerald. Test your knowledge. Question number 1. The visual reporting of facts and truths is called A. Digital photography, B. A photo essay, C. A found situation, D. Photojournalism. The correct answer is D. Photojournalism. Question number 2. Which is true of photojournalists? A. They carry camera and video equipment. B. They are reporters with cameras. C. They are always looking for a found situation. D. All of the above are true. The correct answer is D. All of the above are true. Question number 3. Cut lines, or the words beneath the photo in a newspaper, generally are written by the A. Photo editor, B. Photographer, C. Designer, or D. Editor. The correct answer is D. Editor. Question number 4. True or false? Still photographs are a thing of the past. The correct answer is false. That's it. Thank you to the following contributors. On the intro slide, President Obama being photographed by the press as he signs the bill into law, courtesy of Creative Commons Wikimedia Commons. The gold slide picture is courtesy of Creative Commons PicServer.com. Vocabulary: a DSLR camera commonly used in today's photography is courtesy of Creative Commons Pixabay ConCon. Info slide number 1 picture, an old camera, is courtesy of Creative Commons Wikipedia. Info slide number 2 picture, taken by a photojournalist during the Great Depression, is now a historical representative of that time period, is courtesy of Creative Commons Wikipedia. The picture on info slide number 3 is a photojournalist who knows how to use the necessary equipment, courtesy of Creative Commons Flickr. On info slide number 4, a photojournalist at a rally, photo courtesy of Creative Commons Flickr Fibonacci Blue. The picture on the quiz slide is Now It's Time to Test Your Knowledge, courtesy of Creative Commons Pixabay Geralt. Lynch Laurie, Exploring Journalism and the Media, Mason, Ohio, Southwestern Cengage Learning, 2013. Screencast created by Josh Christensen. All photos found using Creative Commons search. That's my presentation, guys. Thank you.